have a nice exchange with, opinion leader, journalists, and stakeholders around the wine.
Aspetta che me lo so italiano. Congratulations for doing this. Any guy called Alan should probably go to England. Yeah, good for you, man.
Okay, so I'm working for Zerzetic Winery, so we're based in the heart of the DOC Colli Orientali del Friuli, so managed from Annalisa Zerzetic, sitting on the back. So totally is 110 hectares with the total surface of the wineries. About a family winery is one of the most important and one of the, let's say, the biggest in the Friuli, especially Cividale. And actually about, so the Refosco wine, so you're tasting right now, we have quite a long history and passion about that, since actually it's belonging from ever to the panorama of the wines we produce, and especially in the 70s and 80s, where a lot of producers, especially in the Colli Orientali del Friuli area, turned to more safe and sometimes money makers varieties like international, like Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon. So Cavalier Giuseppe, Annalisa's father, was a strong believer of the native varieties from Friuli, and it is still a project that we continuously are strong believer. So about the wine production and farming, we do about 80 quintals per hectare with a Guyot training system. So this means quite small production for each plant, 1.5 kilogram. We do a quite late harvest, usually the last week in September, first week in October. Fermentation with selective yeast in steel tank stacks, and totally fermentation process takes about 12-14 days, plus an extra 5 to 7 days maceration in contact with the skin. And then the sharpening is done in steel tanks, so to preserve the fruity notes, the nice texture of the Refosco del Pedunculo Grosso. About the tasting profile, definitely nice red fruit, and with this kind of typical black pepper notes, so a kind of gamblings that usually you will recognize in most of the Refosco del Pedunculo Grosso on the hilly side. All in steel tanks, so that's totally for 10 months, so bottling usually in June, July, other 2 months aging in the bottles before the market release, usually the last week in September or first week in October of the following years.
And this one has 13.5% alcohol, the previous one had 13. And questo quanto lo vendete voi?
So shelf price in the domestic market, so in the Vinoteca or wine bar, it's about €10. Just to give you a glance about the US market, it's 13, 14 bucks on the shelf.
Back to the Friuli Grave,